Hi, I'm Kerry from eSpares, and in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the wheels on a Karcher pressure washer, if the wheels are damaged or if it's just preventing you from moving your pressure washer smoothly. In this video we're going to be using a Karcher K4 pressure washer, so let's take a look. To replace your Karcher pressure washer's wheel, you will need a Phillips screwdriver and a small flat blade screwdriver. Of course, you will also need a new wheel, so we'll include a link to where you can buy them in the description below. And remember, safety first. Always make sure you switch off your appliance and unplug it from the mains before carrying out any work. Removing an old or faulty wheel is super simple. Just lay your pressure washer on the side so that the wheels are facing you. Then, with your Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the single screw that holds the wheel support in place from underneath. Once unscrewed, you can remove the wheel and its small support bar from your pressure washer. There are two different ways that you can remove the cover to access your support bar. One using the flathead screwdriver by lifting up the cover. Number two is using slight pressure on the outside of the wheel to lift your cover. Before buying your new wheel, you need to make sure that you have your appliance's model number. Having the correct model number is important, so you ensure that you get the correct part for your particular appliance. If you're not sure what the model number is or where to find it, then check out our video on finding your pressure washer's model number here. Now you have your new wheel, it may or may not have a new support bar. If it doesn't, just replace your old support bar, refit the cover, and replace the wheel. With the wheel back in position, you can now go ahead and refit the screw. And there you have it, how to replace the wheel on a Karcher pressure washer. Remember, if you have any other issues with your pressure washer, we're here to help. We have a full playlist of videos on diagnosing and fixing common pressure washer faults. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe for appliance repairs, maintenance guides, and all things eSpares. Thanks for watching.